Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look here, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, this is what I'm talking about. Viewers. Hi, viewers. Awesome, awesome. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. Do you remember the last time here on the pumpkin walk? I give you an update. Okay, at this time, I'm going to give you a more beautiful view of the pumpkin, of what is going on. All right, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Right now, it's all about the pumpkin farm. Stick and stay, and you will see what's happening. As you can see, my viewers, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Do you remember the last time I come here and give you an update on the pumpkin farm? As you can see, pumpkin is everywhere. As you can see, pumpkin is everywhere. The sun is out now, very hot. It is midday, so you know the sun is very hot. So right now, I'm going in to the fields of the pumpkin to show you what's going on. Look, my viewers. Look, my viewers. Pumpkin is everywhere. Look here. Beautiful vine, don't it? Beautiful vine. Whoa. Beautiful, massive vine here. Yeah. Beautiful, my viewers. Beautiful. This is awesome. Gives you a view of what's going on here. Pumpkin is everywhere. This is what I'm talking about. Plant something. Yeah? Do you remember the first time I showed you the pumpkin walk here? It wasn't like this, but trust me right now, pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere. I'm going where the first pumpkin started to spread. Look here, my viewers. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Look here. Yes, my viewers, this is what I'm talking about. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is everywhere. Everywhere is pumpkin. Everywhere is pumpkin, my viewers. My God. Whoa, I have to go on the other side. I have to go on the other side. I have to go on the other side, my viewers. Whoa. Every look, every turn. Awesome, 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 awesome. Yes, my viewers. Pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. Pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, my viewers. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere. Yeah? Pumpkin is everywhere. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. Watch here. Watch here. Whoa. Beautiful here, man. Watch here. Beautiful. Yes, my viewers. Look on this vine here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Pumpkin is running. Pumpkin is running, my viewers. The pumpkin farm is doing good. Yeah. Alright, my viewers, do you remember underneath this big tree here? Yeah, there's a big tree here. And as you can see, I'm going underneath the tree after I leave from here. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. This is underneath the big tree. See, the shade is very cool. Yeah, if you notice the leaves open out because the shade. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Pumpkin. Yeah? Pumpkin, my viewers. Pumpkin looking good. Yeah. There's a lot of young pumpkin is out. Yeah? Yeah? A lot of young pumpkin is out, my viewers. There's a lot of young pumpkin is out. There's a lot. I can't count. Can't count enough. Whoa. Whoa. My viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin, my viewers. Pumpkin. Past so many pumpkin. So you see it on Jamaican Farmers out here. Jamaican Farmers out. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright. Yes, my viewers, this little corner here. This little corner here have some beautiful, beautiful pumpkin here. The sun is very hot right now, so you know, the leaf them kinda quail a little. But trust me. Look at that. The last time it wasn't like this. Look at that. Pumpkin. Whoa. Whoa. There's a lot of pollination going on here. There's a lot. There's a lot of pollination going on here. There's a lot of pollination going on here, my viewers. There's a lot. There's a lot, my viewers. There's a lot. Alright, right back where I'm coming from. That is the view. That is the view of the pumpkin walk. So the next 2 months, I'm gonna come back and give you a next view again. When there's gonna be a lot of pumpkin and vine ready to pick. Yeah. It's all about farming. This pumpkin was planted in the drought, you know what I mean? Yeah, and the guys them keep watering to get it to perfection. Now we getting a little rain now and then. Understand? So yeah, as you can see right here, flush it full off with pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin all over. Pumpkin all over, my viewers. Yeah, man. It's all about pumpkin. These are some male blossom here. And you know the male blossom having the pollen inside, that yellow thing inside here. So the pollen is the thing that you take off and put into the female blossom. This thing here. You scrape it off, put it into the female blossom, the shorter blossom. Yeah, that is the fruit, that is the pumpkin. So when you put it in that blossom, the pumpkin is gonna stay on the vine. That is how you pollinate the pumpkin, alright? Yeah, man. So if the bird don't pollinate it, you can do it yourself. I never check down here. I never go down here, my viewers. So I'm gonna give you a little view down here. I never go down here before. Yeah. Looking good. There's bird all around. There is bird all around, my viewers. Yeah. Pumpkin is running everywhere. Everywhere. Pumpkin is running. Whoa. These ones here looking nice in the shade. Yeah. Looking nice in the shade, don't it? Yeah, man. Looking nice in the shade. Real. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin. Yeah, man. On the pumpkin farm. Yep. We are on the pumpkin farm. You hear me, viewers? All here is pumpkin. Right to the end of the tree, of the fence. Right all the way down there is pumpkin. Right back up line. Yeah. Yeah. It's pumpkin. Okay, my viewers and my subscribers. I'm gonna be out for now. So stick around to see what's coming next. Okay? Jamaican Farmers Hut. Peace. Ever Slick, and I'm out.